So you keep calling me or asking me how you can or which time you have one course or the other. It's very easy to sort it out. You just come to my learning space for that. Here is your online facilitation timetable link for this semester. You open it. Next semester you come here, you do the same thing. Unless the interface changes, I'll make a new video, but if it doesn't, this is just the same thing. It will always be. So you open it like this. It says under faculty, you can select your faculty if you want, or leave it on this any faculty. Department, if you are in any of these departments, you can choose it in order to sort your course. Maybe, I don't know if it's faster, but I'll show you the one I do. Day for facilitation, you can choose from here any day. You can choose Monday, Tuesday, whatever. But this is what you are supposed to do. If you are looking, someone just chat me up from the Department of Primary Education asking for PED 120, whether the course will be taken this morning. This is 11 a.m. The person does not know, is a new student perhaps. So what you do is just come here where they wrote course code, type the course code PED 120. You don't have to give space after typing the alphabets. You type them together, PED 120. The 6 digits are supposed to be together. Then you apply. Go down, scroll down. Here it is. Principles of family living. Here is your facilitator. Here is the email of your facilitator, whom you can even contact if the date changes or you went for a lecture, you didn't see any lecture, there was no lecturer online or facilitator online. You message the person, sir, are you okay? We were supposed to have this today and you were not there. Is everything all right? Or was there any new link? Or was there something else that happened? You need to check out on them too. Sometimes something might have gone wrong. You ask them. So this is it. Every Tuesday, this course takes place between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Every Tuesday. That's it. That's it. You write it down. If you have any other course, you type the course code here. You write, just draft a timetable, put all these things down so you won't be, you can set it up on your phone, your mobile phone. It will remind you 30 minutes before the time or an hour before the time or even on a daily basis. You have so and so courses by this time today. Set it up on your alarm if you cannot make use of diaries. It's very simple to do.